So, if someone like has, let's say, like a 5-year-old AC, there's a bunch of like mold growth in there, would you replace it or repair it, or what would you do?
That's a good question. So it would depend, and a few different factors, right? Most of the time, we would just try and clean it up and repair it, especially since it's a almost brand new unit, right? 5 years old is like new unit in my word. But yeah, we should always try and clean it up. There's a bunch of things that we can do. So first thing is just wipe everything out, take the coil out, do a thorough cleaning on it, and then we can add UV lights on the system, ultraviolet lights that kills anything organic growing inside the unit. We could also do a dog sanitation. That's basically a product that you spray into the unit, and it takes care of anything organic growing inside of it. It's odorless, it's organic as well. It's not like it's going to affect people that have, you know, breathing issues or asthma type of stuff. So yes, there's definitely many things that you can do to repair it, clean it, besides replacing it.